What up, people? It is your boy, Mr. Noland. Alright, guys, today we're going to talk about multiplying and dividing integers. Now, there are two easy rules here. I'm just going to read from the top here. Multiplying and dividing integers is easy. The first thing is, you literally just multiply or divide like normal. Nothing changes. The second thing is you have to decide whether the sign should be a positive or a negative. And now we're going to give you two little things that will help you out to determine if it's positive or negative. The first thing is called using the sleepy triangle. Alright, so what we're going to do, draw a line just like so through the triangle, and draw another line just like so. I'm going to put a negative here, and a positive. I guess we call it a sleepy triangle because it looks like it's sleeping right there with the eyes closed. But the way this works is, cover up two signs and the numbers that you are multiplying or dividing. So actually, I'm just going to cover up one real fast. A negative times a negative will give you a positive. A negative divided by a negative will give you a positive. A negative times a positive is a negative. A negative divided by a positive is a negative. Woo! So I'm going to keep this short and sweet. If the signs are the same when multiplying or dividing, the answer is positive. If the signs are different, when multiplying or dividing, the answer is negative. Now, some of you are like, well, I don't quite get the sleepy triangle. Well, there's another one. It's called tic-tac-toe. Right there diagonally are all my positives. Everything that's blank is a negative. The way it works, a positive times a negative equals a negative answer. Oh, look at that. So going across, you're multiplying. Going down, you're dividing. Look at this. A positive divided by a negative gives you a negative. So going right back here, when multiplying across like you are here, if the signs are different, the answer is negative. Once again, signs are different, answer is negative. Signs are the same, answer is positive. Okay? Now let's look at number 1. It says to multiply 5 and negative 3. So start just by multiplying. Well, 5 times 3 is 15. Now notice we have a positive and a negative. Are the signs the same? No. Therefore, the answer is negative 15. Look at number 2. You see the parentheses back to back? It means you're multiplying. 3 times 3 is 9. And are your signs the same? Well, yes, they are. So the answer is positive. Done. Now look on number 3 you're dividing. What is 63 divided by 9? Well, that's 7. Are the signs the same? Yes, they are, so the answer is positive. Done. Man. Look at this one. A positive divided by a negative. Are those signs the same? No, they're not, so the answer is negative. 64 divided by 8 is 8. Let's try another example that I'm just going to make up. Let's see. Are the signs the same? Yes, they are. So the answer is positive. Let's do another one. Different signs. One's negative, one's positive. So the answer is negative. 3 times 4 is 12. All right, guys, if you flip it to the back side, you got some practice all to yourself. Now, I do not want you working with anyone. I want to see what you got on your own today, referring back to your notes. A little bit of self-learning going off the notes that you have. Now, Mr. Nolan students, when you are done with the back, you are going to go check with the sub. If you miss any questions, you're going to go back and redo them. If you get every single question right, the sub will allow you to work on your homework the rest of the class. All right, guys, I hope this video helps. You guys have a wonderful day. Talk to you later. Bye.